Tell them, look out, do it like that, man. Yeah, tell them, look out. You might say it 3 times, they might know. Hey, everybody, we're up here at the Yello Belly drag strip here live. G2K for the $4.99. Appreciate that, man. Man, appreciate that $4.99 in my account.
You need a stamp?
Nah, miss. Talking about for the racing. Yeah, I need one, miss.
A sticker?
Yeah, I need a sticker. Yeah, G2K done bought me a little enchilada quesadilla, man. Y'all hear that old charge on that thing, y'all? Y'all done upset Vic the Garza already. He say 200 people in the chat. And it's 50. Oh, somebody else got a little charge. Oh. Yeah, they got a charger too. Ah, shit. Here she comes, y'all. Hey, miss. How you say you doing today, miss? You say you doing good, huh?
Yeah, 187, baby.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, 187. Thank you, miss. You so sweet.
No, he's still here. He's inside there. Do y'all need a stamp?
No. Oh, okay. That motherfucker look fast. Hey, girl. It ain't no line. Damn, running right there, y'all. Running right there. But it ain't no long line. Yeah. Look at, hey! Okay, here go the race right here, y'all. Pig versus Funky Town. I mean, damn. Flying low.
Down these ass.
Hold on, here I come. Here we go, y'all. We came right in time for the action. Let me get my mount.
Look out.
Look out.
What's up, my boy?
Nothing much chilling on it. Look like I'm in time for the action. Not the Hennessy. What's up with it? Shoot, chilling on it. Yeah. About to go over here and see what Flying Low and P got going. See where everybody gonna bet at. Yeah.
Friday they gonna fight or no?
Friday they got a fight.
No, that's Friday.
Uh-uh.
You wasn't here when they got that fight?
Uh-uh. Here we go, right here. We finna go see what this talking about over here.
Look out! Right
Look out! Yeah.
You see that bullshit?
What happened?
When I ran James, when I knocked the black off that motherfucker, he thought James' truck was running good. But
Yeah.
come to find out, he had 2 bad car packs on that bitch.
Yeah.
So we just put the screws in that motherfucker.
Damn.
Hey, you know what they can't, you know what they say? Can't beat them, join them.
Hey,
James, me and James joined each other, and we put the screws in that motherfucker.
Damn.
Look at him, he's sad as a motherfucker.
James knocked out
I
you
bet
Damn.
Hey,
It's
look right here.
It was blue.
It was blue.
Look at it, look.
It was blue. Look.
It's blue.
God
He
damn.
knocked all the blue off that rack.
Oh man.
Knock that bitch down to the palm.
Damn.
Hey,
He
look.
knocked the
You see
palm
that?
off
Hey,
his fish.
You see that? You see that blue right there?
Knocked the clear coat.
Hey, clear a coat out that motherfucker.
That little ignorant motherfucker there just talking that ignorant ass shit because he a little ignorant son of a bitch.
Yeah.
That's why he doing that.
Well, what the hell
My truck
happened?
was spinning anyway.
Oh, it was.
Like you make a pass in the Quinn and you watch how it spin.
Damn, he
That's
was
on the
spinning.
He don't want
Ain't no question. Ain't no motherfucking question it's spinning. And I'm on the motor he won. You won a bullshit race. I don't give a fuck, dude. This little ignorant fucker just pumping y'all up like a little sidekick. He that little ignorant ass sidekick that got this.
Low crazy.
Yeah.
Low says
Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah.
Low says man, fuck all that. That nigga mad. Fuck he talked all that bullshit. He talked all that bullshit. Hey, he talked all that bullshit, but he mad because he got hit in his goddamn ass.
Yeah.
He got mad because he got hit in his ass.
You gonna do it. I'm gonna race you on my motherfucking knives, nigga.
Yeah.
You ain't nutting me up. My truck's spinning. Ain't no glue around there.
Ain't no glue over there.
Ain't nobody got no glue. Even the track don't got none.
Say, man,
Nah, but your-
we on
your
the
shit
fucking
been
street
spinning out.
side, man. Look at this shit. Hey, look at this shit, man.
Yeah.
We on the street side, and this motherfucker on the drag race. We knocked
Damn, I ain't think you was gonna spin low.
Man, like a motherfucker on the motor on this nigga.
You must have heat the tires.
Man, boo, I'm gonna let you make a pass in my truck, man.
God damn.
You do a
Get up
good
there
burn
with
out
the
there.
same
If
race.
he gonna
Yeah,
burn out there.
I'm gonna let you drive on the motor. You can tear your ass.
Okay, yeah, I do
Wait,
it.
no, hell no.
Give me the
Let's
ball
do-
out of there.
Shit,
No,
I'll bet
hold
your ass
on.
again.
Let's make sure this bitch hooked, man. I think I got some sticky pickle in the. I got some sticky pickle in the car.
Well, make a pass.
Oh, I got the sticky pickle right here, man. I got the sticky pickle. We finna go see what they talking about right here in these trucks. Yeah, we gotta see what these trucks doing.
I don't think they doing shit.
We got Diamond back in here with them braids, y'all. She got them braids back in here. Yeah. Yeah.
All on plot.
Shit. You don't understand what plotting is? See what I mean by ignorant?
Yeah.
He a motherfucking faithful
But I got
sidekick.
my own shit though. He ain't got shit to fuck with me with. So he can shut the fuck up with that shit. He can shut the fuck up with that. He'll see.
Hey,
hold up, man. It's on camera. 5 on 25, low. Lock it in. Lock it in, low. Here goes my 500 right here. Look.
500 right
Here
here.
goes my 500. He goes 5 on 25. Here goes my 500. 500 on 25.
500.
You want my Tahoe, James? Well, put the fucking 500 up.
God damn.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
I ain't been fucking
Don't
with
let
my
this
truck.
ignorant
I ain't been
ass
fucking
nigga
with my truck. I ain't been fucking with my truck.
Hey, don't let
Hey,
this
he said-
ignorant ass nigga. Don't let this
He said, "Don't let
talk
this
to me
ignorant
like
ass."
that.
Two passes already.
4 pass, and it's spinning on every pass.
Oh man, I got the sticky pickle in the trunk.
Tires, the truck is back fucked out.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Don't let him not know.
Let me get this glue. Dang, it's lacky. You know it'll be tripping sometime. Huh? Oh yeah.
Way out here.
Dang.
I moved it. It was down there, but I put it back up.
I don't know what. I need some help with it. You gonna help me later on? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get.
You need something to tie it up with.
Okay, I got some. Hey, look out! Hey, y'all, we got that sticky pickle up here, man. Yeah, we got that sticky pickle. He said it. Y'all heard him say he spent 4 passes. We're gonna put that down to see if it make how good that old sticky pickle work. It's a glue shortage in Canada. It's a glue shortage in Canada, y'all. Oh, that line getting long.
886. It is spinning like a motherfucker.
Damn.
It's spinning like a motherfucker.
Look out. Yeah, me and him next. Yeah.
He got a new setup.
Oh, you got a new setup? Yeah. Yeah. I see you got that hood. Okay.
Ain't no good. Who, me? Quit.
What you in?
I need a little test.
I'll do something with that truck. You can
Get right. Back. What
I'll
wanna
tell you
do?
what. I'll give you the back tire and the head, and I'll have Funky Town in the car recording it.
God,
No, how about I go home and come back and we
Nah, I'll tell you what.
Let me pick the two
Me,
people.
3 people.
Listen,
Hey,
let me
what
pick
though,
the two
look
people.
out.
Well, he don't want Blackjack in there. He too
Let
little.
me pick the two people to go in the car.
Let's get Funky Town, and goddamn, I even put Cody in that motherfucker.
Yeah,
I'll
but
put
let me go
Cody
pick
in
the
there.
Two people.
Nah, Funky Town.
Can't do no burnout.
He said Funky. Andy, man, why you trying to put Andy in my shit? That's my boy too, man.